I'm Isaac.
And I'm Alden.
And we're going to show you how to put together the candle holders for the Herc oven. So first you start with the middle piece, and it looks like this. Then you get the two side pieces, which look like this, and you stick the middle piece in. And then we get the side piece, and we stick it in like that.
It's not done. It's a little floppy.
I put this in the wrong way.
Yeah. That's why. That's why it's floppy. You can use another side piece.
And then you put in the other small piece. And make sure everything is lined up. And that's how you make the bottom of the candle holders of the Herc oven.
Where do the candles go?
Oh, the candles go in here, and you grab 10 candles and you stick them like this.
And the holes are so air can get in so they can produce fire for heat.